Do you remember the glory days of your favorite retro tech? Over time, plastic consoles often fall victim to an unsightly enemy, yellowing. This isn't just dirt, it's a chemical reaction, a degradation of the plastic itself, making our beloved gadgets look old and tired. But what if we told you that this aging process isn't permanent? What if there's a way to bring these classics back to their original glory? Today, we're diving into the world of tech restoration, armed with modern science to reverse the hands of time on this classic piece. Our secret weapon? A specially formulated hydrogen peroxide cream. This powerful agent is key to breaking down the yellowed compounds. Careful application is crucial. We need to ensure an even coat across every inch of the discolored surface for uniform results. Watch as the cream adheres, creating a protective and reactive layer. This isn't just cleaning, it's a chemical transformation in progress. Every nook and cranny must be covered. This meticulous step ensures that the restoration process is thorough and effective. With the console fully coated, it's time for the next critical phase, the UV light treatment. This accelerates the chemical reaction. Welcome to our custom-built UV restoration chamber. Its sleek design isn't just for show, it's engineered for optimal light exposure. The console is carefully positioned inside, ensuring maximum exposure to the powerful ultraviolet rays from all angles. As the chamber door seals shut, the environment becomes controlled, creating the perfect conditions for the restoration to begin. And then, the magic begins. A bright, intense UV glow illuminates the chamber, bathing the console in restorative light. This isn't just light, it's energy, activating the hydrogen peroxide to reverse the yellowing at a molecular level. Hours pass, but the transformation is constant. The UV light works tirelessly, breaking down the discolored polymers. The yellowing slowly fades, replaced by the original vibrant gray. It's a testament to the power of targeted chemical restoration. Visual effects highlight the molecular dance, the chemical bonds reforming, pushing out the signs of age. Each minute brings us closer to the console's true form, shedding years of environmental exposure and degradation. The bright UV glow remains prominent throughout, a constant beacon guiding the plastic back to its pristine condition. Finally, the process is complete. The UV light dims, signaling the end of this incredible transformation. With a soft hiss, the futuristic chamber door glides open, revealing the console in its perfectly restored state. No more yellowing, no more discoloration. Just the smooth, even, and vibrant gray plastic, as if it just came out of the factory. Every detail, every curve, now reflects its original design. The texture is uniform, the color consistent. Presented in a clean, futuristic setting, the console stands as a testament to the power of modern restoration techniques. From aged and discolored to perfectly pristine, this console has undergone a complete rebirth, ready for a new generation of enjoyment. This restoration isn't just about aesthetics, it's about preserving history, extending the life of beloved tech, and embracing sustainability. For tech enthusiasts and DIY restorers, this method offers a powerful solution to a common problem, bringing old tech back to life. Join us next time as we explore more innovative ways to restore, revive, and reimagine the world of vintage electronics. Thank you for watching this journey of transformation. Don't let your old tech gather dust. Give it a new lease on life.